Okay, so the first thing I tried to attach this mirror to the bed didn't quite work out. So what I did is I went back to his Facebook group and I searched for Zeke's post where he described how he glued his glass to the bed, and I found it. And what he did is, with the bed turned off and everything cooled down, he applied a generous amount of glue stick to the stock build surface, which, by the way, I cleaned prior to doing all this. And so, just putting a whole lot of glue all over this, build surface. Lots and lots of glue stick. And for good measure, I'm just going to go ahead and put some on the bottom of this mirror too. In the Facebook group, he said he took a wet paper towel or something to just make sure that an even layer of glue stick was all over the surface. This seems to be working okay. It's spreading that glue out nice. Now, I'm going to stick this cheap hobby mirror right on top of it, and I'm going to try to position it to where it's about in the center, because I want to make sure I leave ample room to install the bed clips after this. You know what? I think this is going to work a lot better than what I tried last time. Thank you, Grand Magus. And now, following his instructions, I'm turning the printer back on. And I am going to heat the bed just so that it dries a lot better.